Hello everyone, I've got a little project I picked up here. This is an early Paragon 1 Broadway Limited. As you can see, it is moving, barely. The drive gear is split, and it was sold to me as non-running, no working headlights or anything. Well, it's sort of moving. I have it hooked up to another tender at the moment from my other J, because the tender that came with it, I think something has gone with the chip. You can see Norfolk and Western J. It's an old QSI board, and some of the weathering that's on it. Someone Picasso'd it, we'll say. It's also missing the drawbar, which kind of sucks. I do have the tender, the locomotive plate there for the edge of the cab, but it does kind of work a little bit, but then it kind of, the gear will grab and slip and grab and slip. So we're going to see if I could fix this up. I think I have another gear for it, and worst comes to worst, I might just convert it to just straight DC and ditch the sound. But I'm also going to try and clean up some of this weathering here a little bit, because it's not that great, but that's about it.